Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cupp channel. Today we're going to be playing a Left 4 Dead 2 campaign. I'm not really sure which one. I haven't chosen one yet. Probably, definitely not Hard Rain. Actually, yeah, definitely not Hard Rain. Hard Rain is one of my favorites.
Right here offshore, waiting for you. When y'all get the gasoline, signal me.
This should be easy. We just need to grab Sig Diesel.
You want to hear a prediction?
No.
No.
There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
Don't jinx us, Nick.
Gaming. Gaming, man. Fuck. I even take. Give me pills. Pills here. First aid here. Oh, guns here. Give me a shotgun, boy. Stop! Stop the violence! Stop the violence! I said stop it! Stop that violence! You need it, ma'am. Ma'am, you need to stop them. I like that one. Stop! Fun fact, did you know that Chargers actually take more melee damage? Gaki! Do it. Do it. Bad kitten!
Out of gas.
Where did her hair go? No! I don't like this game. Fuck you, buddy. Oh, I lost it. Already? Where is it? I don't like this game. I don't like this game one bit. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm so deep fried. I'm okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay.
Cover me for a sec. I gotta heal.
You're a mess.
It's okay.
Stand still.
This
Thanks,
is okay.
man.
Yes.
Well, I didn't pick up a med yet.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I'm chalky.
Keep your eyes open for landmarks. You're gonna have to come back through here.
Watch out! Grabbing a shot.
I'm a gaming man.
Hey, can we make it have to move fast here before we all drown?
I know I missed it. Oh. Gaming. I have like nothing better to talk about or say. Oh, nobody texts me. I'm a liar. Liar pants on fire. It's my vocabulary app because I'm dumb. Hawkish to me.
Let's do that playground.
Boom. What's that?
Charger! We got a chat now?
Look out!
You better not. I'll knock it off. So, I need a chainsaw for that, chat. I'm saying chat as if I'm streaming. I am recording a video.
Reloading.
Where you drop. Good, oopsie, misinput. You drop something, man. You need a hand. Kill me already. Thank you, Betty.
Bomb, baby.
Oh, baby. AK-47 katana. Not dead, boy. Back off. I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. Imagine it. No, I'm not gonna say it. Absolutely, massive amount of zombies get it. Like how massive the ninja low taper. Alright. I'll just go and see my clothes. Uh-oh, my game crashed.
Reloading.
Because I thought my recording stopped. Where I go again? I completely forgot where Optimus.
Reloading.
For that one clip.
Reloading.
I don't know. Yeah, same.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Back off, buddy. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. What the That scared the shit out of me, low-key.
They're coming.
Back home. Almost threw a fucking pipe.
Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal. Much better now.
Garage sale. No chance.
Reloading.
Get up.
Reloading.
What's up there? A rifle. Yeah.
Okay. Gotta find me something else first.
Okay.
I got a gun just like that.
I got a gun
We
just
can
like
cut through
that.
this garage sale.
It's literally just required. Yeah, I love those guns. Those
Oh,
guns.
hell yeah. Auto shotgun.
What the fuck? Get away from me, you hop-chewing goblin!
I'm a reload.
This might have a little bit of brain rot in the chat. Don't mind. I mean, I'm literally saying chat, so... if you didn't expect this, I don't... Get it!
Reload!
There, madam.
Go! Oh, no!
I might die.
Monster's got me!
He's beating the shit out of me.
Help me, please, please, please. I do not want to die. Please, please, please. I have ray gun. I have ray gun.
I have a ray gun.
Birthday
God,
kid here.
it's...
Oh, shit.
It's everywhere! What was that? Grabbing a birthday.
Damn it.
Oh, my game, it keeps
Wait a
like
second.
freezing every once in a while. I'm scared.
Picks me up real good. Hey, there's a safe room right there.
There's also a fucking witch nearby. A little Hawk-Tua goblin. Like Mister. Is there goodies in here? Never mind, chat. We'll be...
That's how that's done right.
Thanks. Alright. Gaming. Because I was whacking them with the... Said fun fact. Didn't I say fun fact? The charger takes more damage from a melee. Wouldn't everything take more damage from a melee? I'm fucking stupid. Oh, what the scat? Duke. Dookie Dennis. Duke Dennis on that boy. Thought there was gamers on me.
Hey, I'm reloading.
There's the milk.
Reloading. In here. I'm reloading. I'm a reload.
Come on, this way.
Reload.
Any goodies?
Watch
Big
out.
fat boy.
Target.
Big fat boy somewhere. Or fatty McFat back.
Reloading.
Gibby's nearby.
Reloading.
Fuck you, buddy.
Range is really coming down.
Charger.
Killing me! It's killing me! Shoot it!
Reload.
Die!
Reloading.
Heck you, buddy.
Reloading.
Oh, he just got dodge and weave. Suck my nuts. Pickle my balls.
Reload.
Reloading.
Wait. Alice is like tweaking. Sup, fine stuff. Get out of the way. Get out! Alright, that's enough of that. We're not gonna spend more. Get out! That's enough.
I need to reload. Up that ramp.
Freeman.
Heads up.
Watch out.
Kobe! That's okay. Get the fuck. Violence. Yeah, I'll give you.
This is getting serious as a heart attack.
Oh shit. It's time to just go, fellas. Nick, you're fine. Nick, you're fine. Nick, you're okay. Nick, you're okay. Nick, you're okay. Nick, you're okay. Nick, this is okay. Nick, stop screaming like you're dying, because you're not. You're fine. You're okay. How about you give it your...
Let me use this health kit on you.
What the hell is this? All right, now I'm back.
All these pale-ass crazy ladies are getting on my last nerve.
Michelle got absolutely touched. Probably unloading into the wall. Behind him. Stop!
Hunter!
Recoup. Retry. Yeah!
Hey, I'm here.
I'm gonna mess some zombies up now.
We're playing Pig from Hell or whatever that game is called, where you like kill a bunch of the pigs and become a skeleton. You die on the wall, the further grenade at you if you hit them too much. Blood and Bacon is the game that I was talking about, and it is being shown right there. I'll leave a link in the description to it if you want to play it yourself. Oh my god, you like punch him!
Watch out!
Talk to a goblin! Talk to a goblin! Get out! Yeah. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Blood around here?
What? Talk to a podcast.
Up here.
Other way time.
Look out now!
This is why we save ammo.
Tank!
Please don't go to me. Good kitty.
Heads up!
Oh! That's okay, fellas. I don't have that much ammo. Back you.
Fire in the hole!
Shoot it! I'm down!
Oh my tank!
Hey,
Get out, buddy.
Come on!
Coach, you're fine. Coach, you're okay. Coach, you're fine. Get hop that ass up, boy.
Hey, can somebody watch my back? I'm gonna heal. Much better.
Stop. I don't like
Hold on,
that.
y'all. I'm healing.
I hate those jockeys.
Get out. Oh my god. Where's your head at? Copyright strike.
Jesus. Welcome to Woodstock. What the hell?
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Reloading.
Stop fucking crying, bitch!
I'm reloading.
We'd be exploring, though. We'd be exploring for real. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Bad kitty.
You suck at shooting.
Get up.
I hit it.
That's okay. We're just throwing them over there.
Chase this! Stay on my back!
Nick almost went for a plunge. Where your head goes?
Shit on me!
No, it's not even right there. Go away. I don't like you. I don't like you.
Careful, y'all.
Be careful. Stop. Stop. Go away.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Everybody, get in the
I don't
elevator!
like this game anymore. I don't like it. Fellas, get in there. That's okay.
Stop shooting me!
How many goddamn witches?
Here you go.
Many.
Last time I saw this many crying women.
Hey, good to go.
Last time I had this many crying women, I was happy.
First aid kit here.
Mind if I do?
Keep moving. Just head for the side.
Fuck that. I can't see shit. I can't see shit. Walking through a cornfield and there's people. People eat my ass. I don't like this game. I don't like this game. I don't like this game one bit. I don't like it if you can't see it. I don't like it if you can't see it. I don't like it if you can't see it. I don't like it if you can't see it. Start shooting. Start hitting. Start swinging.
Hey, look out!
I can see. I'm okay. I can see that. I'm okay. I can see. I'm okay. I can see. I'm okay.
Can somebody wait up?
Calm me up.
I gotta
Calm me
heal.
up. Calm me up. Calm me up. I'm okay.
Oh, yeah.
You okay? You okay?
There's gas in the safe room.
Get out.
Come on, man.
Get out of the fucking way!
Get inside.
Going as fast as I can.
Hocus Tuis.
Close the door and let's get the gas.
Shut up! Love that. I love that little bow. Somebody do the math on the tank health. All the damage combined, because I don't know how much health it has. It has like 10,000. So close, like 8,000, 9,000. There's like, they said, this one's dirty. Yeah, rust on it if you don't.
Got our shit. Let's get back to the boat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, these are like weird old rusty ones. Dirt on them. Now where do we go?
Reloading.
I'm confused. Get out! Give me a beer! Give me a... Damn. No mercy. Give me a beer.
Reloading.
Give me a beer. Where do I fucking go?
Reloading.
Scrambling around a fucking map for 30 minutes. Not knowing where to fuck go.
Retrace our steps. Head through the field.
Oh, not this shit again. I can't see it.
Hunter.
Hunter's got him.
Oh, we have gasoline on our back now. That's why we're going back.
Reloading.
I'm hot retarded. Probably can't say that. The direction of which I hear the enemy combat. Wow, yes.
Hey, we can take this elevator back up.
Oh God, they try to drown me in this hole. I cannot see. God damn. They always try to drown me when I'm driving my
Can't see a damn thing.
hot bomb all the way. Everybody, back down the stairs.
Like some lag occasionally. Back off, buddy. Back off, buddy. Back off, buddy. Back off, buddy. I don't like that. Back off. I don't like that one bit. Where is it? I'm gonna kill you in game. Hi. Yeah, ain't shit, buddy.
Reloading.
Oh, this is gonna be treacherous. No way. Why can't he?
We can cross on that tank.
Reloading.
Thank you, Ellis. What is growling?
Spitting things around.
Where is it growling? Where are my team? That's not
Down
grammar.
here.
Where is my team? Where are my team?
coming!
I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't like you. I do not like you, I do not like you. No, back it, I do not like you. I do not. The meaning of meaning.
Just not like
Man, if
that.
I lose my hand, I'm gonna stitch this thing right on my stump. Up this pipe. Cross here. Reload it. Man, that bitch is fast. There's the entrance. We're almost at it. Tell you, man, y'all playing with fire when you messing with that damn witch. Dumbass with the damn witch.
Back off, buddy.
Which one of you
Fucking shot it!
Dude.
Hey, man. There we go.
Reloading here.
Stop! Go away! I don't like
Watch out.
Let's go, let's go.
Get her!
In here, fellas.
That's how it's done. It's done.
Oh, yeah!
Man, the whole place is underwater. I'm a reload. We climb across the roofs.
Reloading!
Hey, man.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading!
God damn, I'm tired.
Nice shot, Nemo.
Need my butt. Is there my butt? I don't like it. I mean, what? Who said that? It wasn't me. Oh my god. I opened the door, turned, and looked fucking Hunter right in my ass.
Reload.
Get out.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Oh, I shot that shit. Play
Reloading.
this back on fucking console.
Reloading.
Careful. I can hear a boomer.
That's okay.
Reloading. Oh, I remember passing these lights on the way in. Reloading.
It really is like fucking ground.
Hey, I got first aid kit if somebody needs it.
I don't like those bastards. They scare me, and they also tickle my nuts.
I cannot see shit. This is not very gangster for real. Oh, hi.
Grabbing pills.
I hear a spin.
Oh, shit. Had a break.
Watch out!
Scared the shit out of me first. Where? These motherfuckers scare me each time.
Not gaming.
Got him.
Res, bro.
You make it?
Man, been better. Been better. Hold on a second.
Well, goddamn, Annie Oakley.
God damn, Eddie Oakley. I don't know who that is. It's alright. Oh, I'm definitely getting copyrighted now. Close again, buddy.
Yeah, we're almost at the dock. Hey, I'm reloading.
I don't even think we go through here. Oh, I'm seeing shit that I'm not.
Nice shot, Ace.
I pretty well ran out of ammo.
I hear a charger.
Good day.
Got him.
Where do I go? Oh my god! It's
Hunter on Ellis.
I couldn't do the fucking god damn it! Oh yeah, playground. Where do I go from here? Not back. Hit him. What?
Hey, there's that truck wreck.
I'm a little slow, guys.
Get close, man. That dock ain't much further.
Don't forget to close the door.
Ah, yeah!
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
If we fire up the burger tank sign, Virgil might see.
It's worth a shot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
To be good. You want to or not?
Into the burger tank. Reloading.
I'm not. Oh God, I'm dead.
Reloading.
I'm gonna get back up on that roof.
Hey, chase this.
Fuck no, baby. Bad time to freeze. It's the enemy. Like that.
I'm down.
Ouch!
Get up. Hey. I'm down. Hey, I need some help over here.
This collapse. It's dead, chat. I promise it's dead.
You'll die if you go down again. You understand?
I'm fine.
Oh, you want?
We cool.
I'm fine. See, I'm okay. I'm A-okay.
Picks me up real good.
Not again, please. I don't like this. He's touching me inappropriately again.
I'm gonna reload.
Oh, I thought I'm making back. Thanks, man.
Let's find a place to hide.
Watch out!
What's up?
Hot damn, Virgil. Hey, excuse me.
Hey, run!
Stop shooting!
future.
Hey, can y'all cover me? I gotta heal.
Partners.
Give me a minute. Gotta heal.
Oh, yeah.
Gaming.
Oh, yeah.
First of all, hurry your ass up. No chance. And everyone lived, I think, because Nick was on there just now. Nobody is driving that boat. Nobody was in there. Easy. Oh my gosh! Skip it. Alright. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching today's video. That was it. Sorry for the lack of commentary. I don't plan on posting very often, but if I do, it will most likely be Left 4 Dead campaigns, unless I get my other friends, and it'll be Siege Customs and such like that. Or just other games like Amori and such like that. Other story games. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice night, day, evening, afternoon. I think those mean the same thing. I don't know.